Hello friends, welcome to the Food Lab. Today we will see the recipe for making tomato soup. For that, heat up a pan, take about a cube of butter, add around 2 to 3 garlic cloves, saute it for just a bit, and add about half cup of roughly chopped onions, add about half carrot that is roughly chopped, add salt around 1 teaspoon, and then add tomatoes which are roughly cut. So these are 3 medium sized tomatoes. I've chopped them roughly. Now cover it and cook it until the tomatoes are completely mushy. This may take about 5 to 7 minutes. Now add about 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix it well. Add about 1 cup of water and cover it and cook it and let it come to a good boil. Once it starts boiling, you can switch off the flame and let it cool completely. Now transfer the contents to a jar and blend it to form a smooth paste. Strain the blended tomatoes so that you get a nice smooth consistency or texture. Let it come to a boil, add about 2 teaspoons of sugar. This is really important, it helps to cut the acidity of the tomatoes. Add about 2 teaspoons of cream. The tomato soup is now ready. Serve it hot with some toasted bread or garlic bread. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please hit the like button, share the video with your friends and family, and please subscribe to the Food Lab. I'll see you again in another video with another recipe. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. Like